it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little get ready with me for Valentine's Day. It's going to be like a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look and hair look. I figured before we start any of that, I'm going to start with skincare because I feel like Valentine's Day is about pampering yourself as well, like loving yourself. I mean, we love ourselves every day of the year, but be a little extra sometimes on these holidays. So I'm going to be starting with skincare. I also whipped out all of my studio stuff just for you guys. Like this doesn't look like it was a lot of work, but there's so much stuff that you do not see. Let's just get straight into the video. First, I'm gonna be starting with my e.l.f. Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. I just got these. Thank you so much, e.l.f. for sending me these. Let's see how these work. I think before every single makeup video, I'm gonna start with skincare because, like, why not? So these are the little mask thingies. I also have my iced coffee, so we're ready. We're ready for this video. Open these up. Ooh, it's wet in here. So guys, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments. I really don't know what I'm gonna be doing, honestly. It's a random day. It's like a Wednesday, which is really weird to me. So, you know, like, there's school, there's work. I don't really know if me and Shek are gonna do anything. We wanna go bowling and maybe, like, get something to eat. I told him, like, oh shoot. Oh, that's so cold. I love that. Oh, these feel really good. Whenever I put these things on, they like low-key make my eye itch. Like, I tried another one from Forever 21 and my eye was like itching, but I kept using it because I was like, I feel bougie and I love this. Maybe that skin underneath my eye is just too sensitive or something. But yeah, I think me and Shek wanted to go ice skating or bowling or something and get something to eat, and maybe like Cheesecake Factory, just like chill stuff, because I used to be really obsessed with like the idea of Valentine's Day. Like, as I, you know, like grew in my relationship, I realized that you should be treating the person you love every day or just at random times, like not just because it's a holiday. I was like, don't get me flowers. I mean, like, I'm still gonna get him a gift and stuff, but we're not gonna like be extra. Like, it's just gonna be like a chill day. But let me know what you guys are doing, whether it's like staying home or hanging out with your friends. Like, what are you doing? Like, let me know. I want to know. It's okay to be alone, honestly. Now for my face mask, I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Dragon's Blood and Coffee Cherry Instant Rebound Mask. This is for stressed skin, and I like to use this as like a quick face mask. Sorry, this is like bothering. Oh my god. This is for stressed skin, and I like to use this as like a quick face mask before like doing makeup or anything. Notice that using a face mask before applying any makeup like really makes a difference in my skin. Taking a brush, I'm applying this because I don't feel like getting my hands dirty today. So now I'm just gonna leave this on for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. So it is 2:54 right now, so probably like 3:04. I can't do math. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Tell me where you wanna go. Have you guys seen The Greatest Showman? It's such a good movie. Like, it's been a while since I've seen like a good musical. Honestly, like, that movie was just so good. Like, I was so emotional. Zendaya, Zac Efron was really good. Hugh Jackman was really freaking good. And I've been listening to the playlist for like 2 weeks, like only on my phone, like on my way to school and stuff. And it's just amazing. I'm gonna play it right now. And it's here right in front of you. This is where you wanna be. So I forgot to mention it. This was supposed to be a big part of this, but I got a facial steamer. It's a little shy because it can't reach. Let's see how far. Okay, this is my little facial steamer. The cord is too short, but I'm gonna be using it. I was supposed to be doing this during it. Okay, I still have a couple minutes, so it's okay. I like to steam my face now when I do face masks because I feel like it just makes it work faster and better. Yeah, this is a pamper thing. Yep, definitely. Wow. I will have a link to this down below, as well as like my case and my pop socket, because I know you guys are gonna be asking. Got this all on Amazon, and I'll have the links down below for you guys. I'm gonna go wash my face, and when I come back, we're gonna do like lotion, primer, everything, and just get this makeup tutorial started. Alright, I'm back and I'm ready. Some heart earrings because Valentine's Day as hell. I also redid my little turban thing because my edges was looking nasty. I love any types of earrings that have like a hoop theme to it. I keep on telling you guys I'm gonna do a skincare routine and I never do it. Just for that, I'm just gonna do my skincare in this video, but I am gonna make a separate video about like my whole routine, like night and day and everything. What I always do after every single face wash is that I apply my Mario Badescu sprays. This is the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and this is the Lavender Spray. I love these two so much. They're almost done. I swear I've been through maybe 4 or 5 of these throughout like the whole year. Like I finish one like every 2 months. It's really good to do right after a shower because it just tones your face. So I have this problem with breathing while I put this on, and my body acts crazy when I spray it. Like I get a lot of anxiety when I spray. I don't know why. Cause bougie AF. I don't have any time to be sitting here waiting for this to freaking dry, so. And then right after that, I like to apply like a under eye cream or something. So today, I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup. This is the cooling stick, and this is just gonna help to depuff my eyes. I like to use this a lot. Facial steamer worked wonders. I'm glad I did that before this. After that, I'm taking the Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum and the moisturizer, and I like to mix these two together every single morning. Put like 2 pumps of the serum and 2 pumps of the moisturizer, and I need a lot of moisture back into my skin. It's a lot, but I really make it absorb into my skin because I'm not trying to be dry or patchy out here, because when the winter started, I didn't know what to do with my skin. This is perfect because it absorbed into my skin so well, and I don't look oily at all. And then I'm just gonna apply like any lip cream that I have. This is the Honey Butter Body Care Lip Butter. I got this a while ago, but I just use any random thing. We're finally ready for the makeup. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. We'll see what happens. Before the makeup, I want to do like an all red eye. Like I want to do like a red all over my eyes and on the lower lash line, and then I want to do like gold. And I have some new skincare stuff that I'm using. Not skincare. New face stuff I have new face stuff I'm gonna be using. I need to get it together. I've got my brushes and I've got my makeup bag and I'm ready to go. Got my beauty blender. Let's do this thing. To prime my face, I'm gonna be taking a Milk Makeup blur stick. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. So they just came out with like a luminous one, and I also have the regular one. They both look exactly the same, and one of them doesn't say luminous. I don't know if they're both a blur stick without the luminosity. I don't know if they're both a blur stick without the luminosity, but I really can't tell. But we're just gonna be using one today. I'm just gonna pick one. We're just gonna use this one and see what it does. I don't know which blur stick this is, but I like to apply that everywhere, and I really like to use this when I'm not even wearing makeup. So now, let's get this started. What am I gonna start with first? I think I should do foundation first. Okay. I recently just picked up this foundation. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter. I saw this at my local Walgreens and I wanted to try it because I need to start trying like new products on my channel. So all you have to do is like twist this and it comes out in this applicator. And I've already used this once before, like not to do a full face, but I just put a little bit on my skin like before I went to shower. And I think it was a pretty good match, but we're in like this other lighting, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Okay, we're just gonna blend this out. The finish of it was really pretty, so I'm excited to see that. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. This is the blue one, and I'm just gonna be blending that in really quickly. It's like a matte finish. It doesn't really say what kind of finish it gives off, but I can see that it's like a matte finish. I hope this doesn't look cakey throughout the day, but for now, I think it looks pretty nice. Wow. Oh my god, my skin looked like this just on the regular. Actually goals, I need to start taking care of my skin more. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows before concealer. So I'm just gonna take a tissue and try to get off any foundation that got on there. Also, it'll be really hard to blend. I don't know, actually, I kind of like how my eyebrows look just like this. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much. So as usual, I'm gonna be taking my Cabral in the number 6. Guys, Benefit posted me on their Instagram story. I use this so damn much and I was like shook. I was like, I'm on the Benefit Instagram story. I'm gonna be slaying them too much today, just a little bit. Just to give it a little bit of shape. Okay, so I did a very natural brow, which I think is gonna look good with like my eyes because my eyes are gonna kind of like pop. So now I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows by using some concealer. I've been using these NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, which I really love. I'm just gonna be carving them out and then blending them in. So now I'm going to be applying my Glossier Boy Brow. This is in like the clear color to set my eyebrows and make sure that they don't move throughout the day. I love this stuff and I even use this when I don't fill in my eyebrows. It's in the clear color, it adds such a difference. I'm really liking the foundation eyebrows look. Like I feel like this looks really, really natural. Now I'm just going to be applying concealer and I'm going to be using the same concealer, the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. concealer. Yeah. This is in the color Amande, by the way. I don't like to use concealers that brighten underneath my eyes. I just like to use a skin tone one. Lately, I've just been taking my finger and packing that in and then blend it in with a beauty blender after. And I really I am in love with this concealer. I'm quickly gonna be setting my under eyes with my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the color Banana. And lately I've been baking and it's been working pretty well. I don't let it bake for that long, so now I'm just gonna be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder and my brush, and I'm just gonna be wiping away the bake. Kind of patting it in as well. The face looks hella flawless. Please don't switch up on me later. Please don't do it. Now for the fun part. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. The red theme, as I said before. I'm gonna be taking this red color from my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Also a BH Cosmetics brush. I think this is from the Ashley Tisdale line. This color, and we're gonna be putting that in our. Nope, not yet. Hold up. Gotta put on a different concealer. Okay. I'm taking a lighter concealer and using that as like a primer. I used to use this under my eyes, but as you can see, I really try to highlight anymore. Sorry, I say every 5 minutes. To set it, I'm gonna be taking. Oh my god, my Ray Ray palette. To set it, I'm gonna be using the color Nudist from my It's My Ray Ray palette. I'm really trying to make my eyeshadows pop. I probably should use a lighter concealer, but I don't feel like dealing with that stress right now. So now I'm gonna be taking that red. It's still on my brush. We're gonna go a little bit more intense now. By a little bit, I mean a lot of it. I think I'm gonna take hot pink color. Maybe this one. Let's mix these two together and apply that to the crease as well. That's so pretty. I love it. That's so pretty. I want to die. It's probably this bitch looks like a clown, and I'm over here I look good. Wings effect instead. I think I look crazy instead. I feel bad now. Let's just try to blend this out. I like it, but I'm at the same time I'm now I'm thinking I should just go with the pink theme. I was gonna do red. I really wanted to do red. I was excited for it. I am conflicted. I am disgusted. We're just gonna keep the pink theme. I'm really upset. I wanted to use Mom. Okay, I'm gonna take this pink color from my Lime Creme palette, this the Venus palette. And you guys have seen me use this millions of times before. I take some on my finger, that on my lid. We're just gonna go with the pink theme because it already happened. It's my fault. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, put that on my outer corner, and blend everything in. Wow, there's so much pink eyeshadow here. I'm digging this look. I'm gonna use this glitter eyeliner by BH Cosmetics in the color Synergy. It's like an iridescent kind of color. It has some green, but it has a lot of pink and white. I think I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner. It also matches this, so I'm about to not do my hair. Sorry. I'm really about to pull up to my aunt's birthday dinner looking like this. I love it. I'm a little crazy. That was a little crazy. I love it so much. Now I'm just gonna be applying mascara. This D Makeup Shayla. To balance it out, I'm just going to take that same pink color we've been using and put it on my lower lash line. I'm really glad I made this decision. I'm happy with it. I don't even know if this is going to be titled Valentine's Day look anymore. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm going to be going into my It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking this color. A little bit of a slice. It looks really light in the palette, but then once you put it on, it just gets a little darker. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Derma Blend Glow Creator Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. I've never used one of these things. I feel like I want to drip it on my face like those Instagram people. Just a little bit. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend that in. Shoot. Oh, I think this is for under your foundation and everything. This side does not look blended at all. Now I think to set it, I'm just going to be taking a little bit of my Tegan Becca palette. I'm going to take this color, set it a little bit. Okay, this side is crazy. For blush, I'm going to be going into my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. I think I'm going to take a little bit of this, just a touch, because that stuff is pigmented as hell. Tap it around. Alright, so I don't know for lips if I should just go with like a gloss, do a liquid lipstick, and just like, I think that's too dark. Yeah, let's just stick with the gloss. I'm so basic when it comes to lip colors. I have this lipstick. This is by Becca, and this is in the color Milk Chocolate. Just that much. Then I'm going to be applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Rose Lip Gloss. And it just has little pigments of glitter in it. It's really pretty. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think I'm just gonna redo this really quick. I kind of like how everything just looks together. It's kind of like a festival. I think I should do my edges real quick. I have a bunch of Amazon links down below if you guys would like to get the spray bottle, if you'd like to get the diffuser I was using. I have everything like linked down below. Do a little curl. Let's do a little curl and see what happens. Nope, nope. That's not. I'm gonna call this like I'm my own Valentine's Day makeup tutorial or something. Even though Shaq is my Valentine's obviously, but like I feel like it's really important that if you're single and everything, you should be your own Valentine. Like even though Shaq is my Valentine and I'm his, like I'm also my own, like I'm my own priority. I need to take care of myself and I love myself. So every day you should be your own Valentine. Buy yourself cute things, buy yourself flowers, do what you need to do to love yourself. Alright guys, so I think that concludes this makeup tutorial. Really in love with how everything looks. I'm definitely gonna go take pictures after this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for always supporting me. I took a break from social media for a full week. I didn't upload to Instagram, I didn't upload to YouTube, I didn't go on Snapchat, anything. You guys were still supporting me. I was still gaining subscribers, I was still gaining followers, and it's just amazing to me that I can take a break and you guys will still be there supporting me, commenting on my videos and everything. Even though I didn't really announce that I was taking a break, thank you guys for endlessly supporting me. Comment below one thing that you love about yourself. I would say that I love how I can motivate myself. Before I started filming this video, I was kind of feeling down, but I was like, I need to film a video and everything, and now I'm just so happy. Like I'm constantly uplifting myself, which I think is very important. And I had to get to this point. I had to realize that people are not going to always make me happy. I need to make myself happy. If I can make myself happy and if other people can make me happy, like if I can learn how to make myself happy, then that's so important because you're not always gonna have people in your life, and feeling down, you should try to uplift yourself. You shouldn't always count on people. So I just love that I can now I learned how to uplift myself and make myself feel better. I'm just constantly motivating myself now. And I think I learned that like within the past couple months. So yeah, comment one thing that you love about yourself, whether it's your eyes or your skin or something inside. You guys follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. They will all be down below. I have the link to everything that I used down below in the down bar. Thank you guys so much. You guys are my Valentines. I hope you enjoyed this video even though I was in sham. Comment down below any video requests you guys want me to do, and I will see you guys very soon with a new video. So I love you. Bye!
Go off when I enter the building.